Hello everyone, in this video I will show you about the GSA website contact. So GSA website contact, and what is the GSA website contact, how the Poland people use it and how the Europe countries people use it for make money. So let's start. I will search on the GSA website contact on the Google. So you can see the first website, GSA website contact. You can click on it. You will see the first software of the GSA website contact. This software price is $100. They are selling it on the $100. You can download the trial version as well from it and use it and try it. So let's first check it out and we try the trial version as well. So I will go on the GSA website contact and I will show it to you how the trial version is work and how you will use it to make money on it. Okay, so I just click on the GSA website contact and click on the website. Now I will download the GSA website contact. Here I click on the download and it's downloading right now. So the main purpose of this GSA website contact is when you go any website contact pages, you will see the name, email and message. So if you use manually version, if you are hiring someone or you are doing yourself, it will take lots of time when you submit this kind of contact pages by yourself or you hire someone. So this software can do, it will make a AI bot like that and it will submit 100,000 to 500,000 contact pages in a day. Okay, so you can promote your ClickBank products, your JVZoo products and whatever you wanted to. Okay, right now I am installing the GSA website contact, so you need to see it properly. It's so easy, you don't have to worry about that. And the price is $100. Remember, this is the trial version. Okay, so I will show it to you installing it properly. I click on this thing, you just remember it, and here you will see it properly how it's going on, and when it's done I will show you how it's work and how you can use it properly. GSA website contact, it's the best thing if you know how to use it and how you can make money on it. Okay, here you can promote your different kind of product, JVZoo, CPA lead, or if you are a SEO agency, you can promote like dentist in Boston. You want to target that kind of client, you can use it. Okay, now our software is installed properly, so let's go on to the software and check it out first. So this GSA website contact, when you use the trial version, you will see this kind of stuff on the trial version. Okay, there is showing to you buy now and register button. I'll just click on the new and test it as a target thing. Okay, for here you need to add the first thing is that I will show it to you. The scraping website means just I show it the contact pages. Okay, here on the contact pages I just show it to you in this website. The same thing, it will scrape thousands of contact pages. Okay, when I click add, you can use any kind of keyword. You can import the keyword list from the Google or whatever keyword extractor you are using, you can use it. Okay, I just use this kind of keyword on the dentist in New York. Okay, when I included the keyword, and right now I just click on the start and it will scrape all the website with the dentist in New York. It will collect all the website contact pages. Remember, it will collect all the contact pages. The first thing, this website work for two things. First, it will scrape the keyword based website contact pages. Then second thing, it will post the contact pages by this board. You don't need to use your manually. You can use this software and post it for 100,000 to 500,000, even a million contact pages you can promote it. The problem in this software is it will take time to collect the contact pages. Remember, it will take time. If you are using 500 or 1000 keyword, it will take time. So you can see it will extracted the website Also this software show it to you which website is not working or which website is dead. Also this software is show it to you on in the display as well. So when you go and check it out, this software, you will see it and it will scrape the website, but this is the trial version, so you only scrape it and can't use it. So this is my website. If you need, as I said it to you, it will take time, week or month to scrape it. So right now you can check it out, it will take time. So if you are using 500 or 1000 keywords, it will take time. Okay, if you have a chat gpt you are using for keyword extracting or whatever. So here I am selling the 14 million, you can see and hear me right. I am selling the 14 million website contact pages. The 4 million contact pages from the USA websites and 10 million is the mixed website. Okay, the 10 million is mixed website from the UK, US and Europe countries. So for Poland and Warsaw, it will great help to them. So 14 million website, contact pages website, you can use it and use in the software and promote whatever you want to promote. Okay, people are selling this contact pages website at $500 to $1100 as well, but I am selling at only $100. Okay, I am just selling at only $100. You can use it, you can buy from the credit card or you can buy using the PayPal as well. You can just click on the link and you will get it. On the moneymat.xyz website, you will see the 14 million contact pages website, and you can after buying this website list and buy the software, you can promote whatever you want to promote, and like CPA lead, JVZoo, ClickBank products, SEO marketing, whatever you want to promote, you can promote in the message box and you will get the lead. Also you will get the lead for calling as well. If you want to need a calling in the CPA marketing, in the calling networks, you can get it from it. You can check it out the website or the GSA website. There is a video how to use it properly and how you can submit your number, so the client will come back and call you as well. So you can use your affiliate numbers as well, so you will get the calling leads if you are roofing or repair any kind of thing like that. I can't export the contact list because it's a trial version, so you need to buy it and you will see the scrape. I just show you to scrape. You can see the posting version as well in the website. You can see it properly, all the step and process on the video on this website. You can come on the GSA website and there is a 14 or 20 minutes video, you can check it out. Okay, on my website moneymat.xyz. If you any kind of help you need, I will help you. You can come and Skype me moneymatters2019, or you can mail me as well, info@moneymat.xyz as well. If you any kind of help you need, I will help you. Okay, you can check it out my other courses and method as well if you need it. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.